Mastering colons. Punctuate like a pro. Hello and welcome to another exciting episode in our English language learning series. Today, we'll be discussing an important part of English punctuation, the colon. Understanding how to properly use a colon can greatly enhance your writing. Let's dive in. A colon is a punctuation mark consisting of two equally sized dots placed one above the other on the same vertical line. Smiley face. It is used in several ways, but mainly to introduce something, such as a list, a quote, an explanation, or an example. For instance, you might say, I have 3 favorite fruits: apples, oranges, and strawberries. Here are some common ways to use colons. 1. Before a list, when you want to introduce a list of items. Example, I need to buy the following: bread, milk, and eggs. 2. Before an explanation or clarification, you can use a colon to introduce an explanation of what you've just mentioned. Example, I'll tell you my secret. I practice every day. 3. Before a quotation, colons can also be used to introduce a quote. Example, Shakespeare once said, all the world's a stage. Remember, don't capitalize the first word after a colon unless it's a proper noun or the start of a complete sentence. While using colons, people often make these mistakes. 1. Don't use a colon after a verb or a preposition. For example, it is wrong to say, my favorite fruits are apples, bananas, and cherries. 2. Avoid using a colon in the middle of a complete sentence unless you are introducing a list, explanation, or quote. To master the use of colons, it's crucial to practice regularly. Start by trying to incorporate them into your everyday writing. For example, try writing an email to a friend using a colon correctly, or write a to-do list using colons. That's all for today's episode on mastering colons. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of how to use colons effectively in your writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy writing and see you in the next episode.